found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it today. I got.
Why are there so many pets lovers out there? Pets share our lives in the ways that most humans can't, and they are so commonplace that it's easy to take their friendful companionship for granted. The purpose of this video is to remind us of why we love dogs and cats so much. Dogs and cats are friendly, and they love human companionship. Whose ego would not be gratified at the sight of a happy dog or cat who can't wait to greet you at the end of a hard day? Your pet waits for you by the door, face smiling, mouth open, and tail wagging, ready to dote on you, his best friend in the world. Most of all, they have fun action and cute people like children. Come with me to episode number 10 in a series of adorable moments of dogs, cats, and pets.
I love you. I love you.
Wow, my dog is really good at catching.
You are thicker than a sneaker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey.
Oh my god, that's scary. Someone protect me.
Walter, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, I want to go for a walk.
Okay, you want to go? You want to go for a walk? Okay, come on, baby. Let's go for a walk.
Don't do that.
You have to stop pretending you don't want a wiener dog. They have short legs and long bodies, and they make our lives better.
Wake up, honey.
Hi. Good morning.
Wow, this dog looks like he's actually reading a book.
Okay, so sine x over x is x equals 0 is always 1.
Oh, she's sitting in the right place. Don't wake me up from a good night's sleep. How adorable.
Milo, you're getting to be kind of, how do I say this nicely, a little expensive. So you're gonna have to start paying rent.
Hello, I have question. Please do not swipe. I know you want swipe, but you see sexy boy on screen, you no swipe. You see fluffy hair, you no swipe. You see Dora, swipe or no swiping. So now we established the swiping policy.
So we come to work this morning to find a little puppy. We had no idea she was pregnant, and now she had a puppy.
How could she do that?
Nice, baby girl. Good job. Yeah, good job.
The first time I see that blue parrot, it's so beautiful.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
These were some of the dogs rescued today. We got two of the corgis, little Dotson, wiener dog. Got a little Chihuahua, old Chihuahua. We also got in this deaf dog today.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Good morning, sweet angel. You look fabulous today. Can I get an awa awa?
Okay, so my cat, instead of drinking the water, has found out that if he spills it all over the floor, he can make the bubbles go up.
So come on, let me see you get gone.
I used to have a Dachshund like it too. What a lovely breed.
Way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it off. Turn it off.
If she a baby mama,
Go ahead.
she gon' do that baby mama.
Work.
Hey, who called me? What's weird smell here? So polite and lovely. This is my neighbor, Max. He's so cute.
Hi, buddy. Just petting him. My male cat, Benny, is gonna freak. Here he is. Oh my god! I'm sorry. What, guys? It's just a sniff. I'm sorry. Guys, I wasn't cheating, I swear. Oh, Benny, you guys hate me. Oh my goodness.
I pretended to pass out to see what my dog would do. And then I just want to get to know you. These little pets are so cute. Let me show you. It sounds like a crying baby.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back.
Savannah's in the room with her friend. You can see Savannah later. Okay, yes.
The video ends here. Did you guys enjoy it? Please give me a like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon in the next video of the series that summarizes the adorable funniest moments of dogs, cats and pets. Let's quit and see. Bye!